Well, interesting day for the markets, trending day actually. And to think of the fact that we started off the day with a telecom stock being the best performer and it being relegated to the 12th best performing stock just shows the breadth of activity on the Nifty and at the broader end of the spectrum. The market breadth extremely constructive for a better part of the trading day today, ending if not at the day's high, then virtually at the highest point of the range that we've had today. Now, what participated? Banks did not, but IT did, metals did, and actually if you look at the top 10 gainers on the Nifty, then almost every other stock did, from life insurance companies like HDFC Life and SBI Life, to IT names like TCS and HCL Technologies, to Larsen & Toubro being up 2.5%, a clutch of names participating out there. At the broader end of the spectrum too, if you just zoomed out, yes, there were PSUs which are sulking in trade and getting beaten down, but there were PSU stocks which are doing very well too in the session today. There was some clear earnings, reactions that we saw. So from a responsive industries to an Ashok Leyland, all of them started off reasonably well at least and did reasonably okay for themselves, to stocks which had a weak quarter and definitely corrected in the session today, starting with Tata Chemicals, had a big knock at open. So in some sense, the market respecting what the quarterly performances have been, and in some sense a bit of a broad-based participation on the Nifty at least, while the banks sulked, kept the index in fine fettle, ending at the high point of the day, on a day when not necessarily that the world markets did well. So it's a good move ahead of the RBI policy 2 days later. Let's see how we do for the next 2 days.